How to change date or year on Google Earth. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Google Earth application on your device and you will be led to the map view. In here, simply go ahead and squeeze in or squeeze out in order to navigate to the location that you are looking forward to change the date or year of. Once you have found the actual location, go ahead and tap on it and you will then see the pin icon there. So once you have the pin icon, tap on the person-like icon on the right side of your screen and you will be led to the street view of that particular location. So once you are in the street view of that particular location, you will then see the option for see more dates. So tap on the see more dates option you see there and you will then be able to view a bunch of different dates available for that particular location, and you can simply tap on it in order to change your date or year in Google Earth. So this was about how you can change date or year on Google Earth. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.